Hi guys! You know what? Today my birthday. So every year I used to celebrate my birthday in different places. Like I love traveling, right? So I'll go different places alone and I'll celebrate my birthday. So this time almost near to Kargil. You know, right? Kargil, it's a India war and all those things and all happened in Kargil. So I'm going to that place. I think 155 kilometers from here, Kargil. I'll go after 2 days. I'll go because in this middle also there are some places are there. I'll stay there. Then I'll go to Kargil. In Kargil also I'll make such a nice video. So my birthday, no, how to celebrate? I don't have anything here, cakes and all, because This is some kind of forest block. And some village also from here. If I go a little bit far, I'll get some village. So I don't know how to celebrate. I have Maggie. I'll cook and I'll eat. That is my celebrations today for my birthday. One more thing, guys. I bought this camping in Decathlon. I was using almost from 2 years. In every so many places I tried this, but when it comes to snow, yesterday night, literally, I didn't even sleep properly. I was like this. I didn't even remove this jacket, anything. Sometimes I used to wear my helmet, then I slept. Damn! So, these camping tents and all, when it comes to these kind of snow places, I know this before only, but I don't have any other options because I don't have. It's not in my plan. Like in Kashmir, I have to put camping and all. So suddenly it's there. That too, I don't have any, some shops and all here to buy good camping. So in this camping only, I have to sleep next 3 days also. 3 days also, I don't have any other option. So first, I'll prepare Maggie. It's almost 12 o'clock. I slept nicely. So from here again I have to move. Just let me prepare. I'll show you this place also. My ass burning, yaar. I'm almost top of the mountains. You can see such a beautiful mountains. I think it's Himalayas. You can see Himalayas. Such a beautiful Himalayas. Just imagine if you sleep here. I'll tell you later. First, let me prepare my Maggie. I have my kitchen setup, everything. I'll prepare and I'll show you. So I have my pan, my kitchen setup. Everyone knows this. My gas and tins, Maggie packet, water bottle. If I remove this gloves, just 2 to 3 minutes, almost here temperature, guys, minus 18 degrees. Again, I'm telling you, minus 18 degrees. It's very easy, no? Preparing Maggie, that too in Himalayas. No recipes, nothing, just open and cut and put. First, I have to put water, right? I don't know when I bought this water bottle. If anybody want to know this recipe, please do message. Maggie. Oh, Maggie packet. Sorry. Masala packet. Sorry. This I'll throw later somewhere. Spoon, I have one spoon. I bought this last year, I think. Uh, First 2 days it was really damn good, guys. The snow and all. After that only, yeah. Aha. Finally, Maggie. Just 2 minutes, no? That's why everybody they love Maggie. One thing I want to tell you guys, I think in one video I'll make such a complete video about. I'll make one video about Indian Army. So I met Indian Army people here. Then I asked so many questions and I came to know so many things, guys. Seriously, whatever they are showing in movies. One second. Whatever they are showing in movies, whatever you are watching in movies, all those are just 50%. Here, reality is completely different. Indian Army. We can't even live like them. At least 1 hour. I'm seriously telling you, 1 hour. Morning 4 o'clock. If they woke up till night 11 o'clock. Just imagine till night 11 o'clock. My God. Seriously, I can say only one thing for our Indian Army. 100% I'm telling you, everybody know only 50% because of movies or some videos. Indian Army. If you want to know complete, once if you come Kashmir and just talk with any army person, you'll understand. So, birthday boy. Ah, yummy, yummy Maggie, 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 Maggie. I'll show you 1 second. My ass. Yummy, yummy Maggie. My birthday treat for me. Ah. I think I can put one more cooking channel, guys. Seriously, I have to put cooking channel. I'll put cooking channel. See, I'm preparing Maggie also. No, yeah, I'm feeling damn hungry. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day, Dinil Rahul. I mean myself only. So this year my birthday celebrations in Kargil, Himalayas with Maggie because there is no cakes here, no. So just with Maggie. Mmm. Whatever your Maggie taste, Maggie taste. I have to go from here again 55 kilometers. This 55 kilometers for me it will take almost 4 hours. That road was not good. I can make one more vlog. Himalayas. No. Maggie in Himalayas. No, we'll see later. Ooh. So finally done Maggie. I have to wash because I have only 1 liter water. I have to leave this place. Bye bye guys, take care. Once again wish you many, many happy returns of the day, Dinil Rahul. నువ్వు ఇలాగే ట్రావెల్ చేయాలి. You have to cover all over world, each and every corner in the earth. So everything you have to cover should be like this only, traveling like a travel monk. Bye bye, take care.